Is I have this technique or this trick that I tell people that take 5 minutes of your day. All right, in the first 1 or 1.5 minute, give yourself any topic, right? Like mangoes, apples, anything, something really vague as well, or something really different, like imposter syndrome. Just give yourself that topic. Think about it yourself. Try to write some key points. After that, open Google or Wikipedia or even ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT about that question, about that topic, or Google, and see the words that they use. So, in this way, you can also enhance your vocabulary by inculcating different words. And one thing is, do not skip the difficult words. Like after this, when you have read everything, when you have a certain points with you, uh, try to make that speech. Okay, amazing. So, hello, I am Kunakshi Kapoor, and I'll be having this conversation with you today. Can I know a bit about you, please?
Yeah, as you know, showing here, my name is Rashmi Singh and I'm from UP. Sorry, I have so many hiccups in the evening time. Actually, I have just taken a green tea.
It's okay, it's okay.
And so I'm I'm on this platform as I'm a YouTuber, so I just wanted to have a conversation.
Like to ask you first, like, how was your week? How have you been? How was your Diwali?
So uh, it was so joyful. We celebrated Diwali this year, like with family and my
Mm.
kids. So it was really awesome and enjoying. A lot of pleasure and enjoying moment with my family. I spent it and we decorated with lights and we made rangoli. So all those things, Lakshmi Ganesh Puja, everything happened. So it was really nice.
So, what did you feel was the best part of the festival?
Basically, I think each and everything, the
So,
as you that all the rituals you celebrate.
yeah,
So in integrated thing is Diwali. It's not like the best one is really the putting the diyas, lighting the diyas.
right.
So best thing is actually is one of that. But each and everything we enjoy at Diwali.
Okay, so if you would ask me that, I would say the best part of it was the sweets because I have a sweet tooth. I love sweets, so I think that was the
Okay,
best part for me.
so
But
that's
yes,
wonderful.
diyas. But yes, diyas, of course. I mean, especially the part where we color those diyas and we light them up. That is really joyful and it gives us a lot of, I would say, calmness in some way that we
Hmm.
are lighting up those and decorating our homes, making it so serene, right?
Yeah, yes, right, right, right.
All right. So, do you have any hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
So as I'm very busy person, as I'm a teacher by profession as well, so I
Okay.
don't have much time, but in my free time, I love to listen to music as well
Mhm.
as I love to read books. So I'm a what to say, it's like a reading enthusiast. So
Mhm.
I love to read books. So in my free time, I do these things. Sometimes we also plan to have some like go for visit or travel with for
Mhm.
family. So these are the few things I love to do in my free time.
So, what are some, like, what is a certain genre you like to indulge yourself in while reading books?
I read everything, I would say, but
Everything.
everything. Yeah, it could be news, newspaper, kids'
Mhm.
storybooks, anything in front of me. But nowadays, I'm reading books like I have finished one of them, like You Can or No, I Can, and one was Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Rich Dad,
Okay,
Poor Dad, these
so you
kind of
like self-help books. You're not
self-help
into
books.
fiction?
No, I don't enjoy much fictions.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you like to indulge yourself in books that would help you inculcate
Hmm,
some values, right?
some values. Right, right. Because I don't have much time. So
Yeah.
if for the fiction, I would say I love to watch movies actually. Hollywood movies sometimes. Not I'm not so much into it, but with my kids because they used to watch such kind of things. So sometimes
Yeah.
I also enjoy with them.
And what kind of music do you like to listen to?
So I have mentioned it earlier as well. I'm kind of old soul actually. So
Yeah,
I like all the whole songs like classical of Lata Mangeshkar, Muhammad Rafi, Mukesh, and then of course Shreya Ghoshal is also one of my favorite singers, Sonu Nigam.
yeah.
So they're the few people in
Okay,
my.
so as you said, like you are an old soul. So I would like to ask you a question which rages debates nowadays. What do you feel about the remakes of songs?
Sometimes it's really wonderful
Yeah.
even better than not like voice but in music, because
Hmm.
we have beautiful music now. We have so many instruments, apparatus used in musical industry. But of course, not the voice. Lata's voice or Asha Bhosle's voice is legendary one. But
Yeah.
yes, sometimes I like that. But I don't like to just they just do what to say. छेड़खानी बहुत ज्यादा कर देते हैं. Just
Yeah.
made it like injured all the part of the song. They just take piece of the song like kanta laga,
Yeah.
something like that.
They take the essence out of the song and
Essence.
they
Yeah.
just
Mm.
give you a really empty piece of music. Yeah,
Yes.
I get that. I reflect with you on that point actually. Okay,
So
so
what about you?
yeah.
You also like old songs, or what kind of
Yeah,
music you like?
I actually like to experiment with music. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. Like, I love to listen. I love old songs, of course, but I do not know a lot of them. I only know the mainstream ones, I guess. And of course, Shreya Ghoshal, Sunidhi Chauhan, I love their music. I do not like techno at all,
Mm.
and I do not like rap songs. So
Mm.
those are just not my thing. I would rather listen to something soulful or
Mm.
completely that screams wedding vibes. So I like to experiment with the whole thing.
Yeah, yeah, that's good actually. To knowing about yourself more. What I like, is it my favorite, or this one is my favorite? So sometimes you have to experiment with yourself. What
Yeah.
kind of things you are liking more?
Mm.
Yeah, even sometimes 90s songs
Yeah.
are very beautiful. Like I used to listen to all those songs of Alka Yagnik, Kumar Sanu, Udit Narayan.
Yes.
At that time also there are songs in
Those
Bollywood
are
actually.
those are some evergreen musicians, I would say,
Yes, yes,
evergreen
yes.
singers. You can listen to them anytime and feel a certain sense of calmness within you.
Yeah,
And I
right.
think that is the meaning, or that is what songs provide us. That is why they are there to calm us down, to help us enjoy. So yeah.
So I would like to ask you, your name is the
Yeah.
Kunakshi.
Yeah.
It's a new name for me. What does it mean?
It actually means somebody with beautiful eyes.
Oh, wow.
But the irony is that mine don't work. So that's okay.
No, no, no. You have beautiful eyes. It's like Kunakshi. Okay, Aksh. Aksh is like eyes. Mm.
Yeah.
And Kuna is like beautiful, beautiful eyes.
Yeah, so that is what it is.
And you are looking
Yeah.
quite young as a tutor, I'll say.
Yeah, I mean, I have been a part of Clapingo since quite some time, but I've only started doing this YouTube sessions recently. So yes,
Okay.
I
So
think
I
that
would
is
like
the
to
reason.
ask you
Yeah.
about your education. Have you completed?
Uh, well, I am doing my graduation right now. I'm in the process of it. So
Okay,
yes.
that's why you're looking like a graduate student, actually.
Yeah,
Mm.
I'm still graduating. Like I'm studying for it. And likewise, I love to talk to people. I love talking with others. I love to know their insights on different things. So yeah, that is the
Wow,
reason
that's a
I'm here.
beautiful
I'm here.
thing. That's a beautiful thing. At the so early age, you just find out for yourself. Like that is something amazing, I'll say. Because
Thank you.
people of your age are still just figuring out what I have to do and what should I do.
Yeah, maybe I
So,
think that's just luck. I would like to know something more about you as well.
mm, sure.
So, so as you said that you are in the teaching profession, right? So what do you teach? And one question is, do you actually love teaching?
So I am a biology teacher. I'm a degree
Okay.
college professor, assistant professor, and I really love my job. This is something very close to my heart, actually. So I
Oh,
really love to connect with my students, solve their doubts, and upgrade myself actually. This is also one thing I always want. And I'm a degree college professor, so I have an opportunity to do the research,
yeah.
writing research papers, presenting those papers in big platforms. So I really enjoy
Well,
what
now
I'm
that I
doing.
know that you are a professor, I'm a bit intimidated now.
No, no, please don't. That's why I'm
Yeah,
saying, I'm just watching students of your age are
yeah.
just that's figuring out the things, and you're doing an amazing thing. I'm very happy to see you here.
Well, thank you so much.
So
And of
I
yeah,
have few questions actually.
yeah,
I
sure, go
just
on.
for because sometimes people on my YouTube channel in the comment section they ask me at the beginners level what are the
Hmm.
most effective tricks and techniques for beginners to become fluent in English. What are
Right.
the tips from your side for them?
Okay. So as we know that people are busy in their own things, even if they're not busy, they are busy doom scrolling or anything. So even though they want to grow as a person, they want to enhance their fluency, but they do not work on it, and they just give excuses that we are busy. So for this, I have this technique or this trick that I tell people that take 5 minutes of your day. All right, in the first 1 or 1.5 minutes, give yourself any topic, right? Like mangoes, apples,
Mm,
anything. Something really vague as well, or something really different, like imposter syndrome. Just give yourself that topic. Think about it yourself. Try to write some key points. After that, open Google or Wikipedia or even ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT about that question, about that topic, or Google, and see the words that they use. So, in this way, you can also enhance your vocabulary by inculcating different words. And one thing is, do not skip the difficult words. Like, oh my god, this is really difficult. I don't know the meaning of it. So, let's just put it off. No,
mm,
see on Google itself that what it means, and then that will obviously help you enhance your vocabulary. After this, when you have read everything, when you have a certain points with you, uh, try to make that speech. Do not write it anywhere.
mm,
Don't do that. Just read the whole thing and try to make sense of it as a whole, and then create a speech. Then you can do two things. One is go in front of a mirror, speak to yourself, right? So
mm.
that way you would be able to see how your hand movements are, how your facial expressions are. Or the other thing you can do is record yourself while speaking, and then later on watching it, so that you can actually see how your audio modulation goes, how your facial expression moves, how your hand movements go around while you're speaking. So this way you are basically covering all points. First is the research base, second is your imagination, third would be vocabulary, and fourth how you're speaking. So this
Mm.
way, like if you do it every single day, not even every single day, even if you do it on alternative days, it will help you out.
Okay, then my next question was actually this.
Yeah.
Uh, According to you, how much time it will take for a beginner to be fluent or to be actually at least survival English they can learn,
Yeah.
they can speak? How much time
I
it
think
takes?
I believe it depends completely on the person. It varies from person to person, their ability to adapt to something and their will to do something. Now, if a person who's really passionate about growing themselves or working on themselves, they would, I think, be able to be, I would not say fluent, but actually would be able to speak in English properly, converse in English properly, maybe in 2 months. Right. But if a person who does not have that passion, who does not have that will, and it's just like, I have to do it for the sake of it,
Yeah,
God knows how much time that person will need. So it actually,
yeah,
I think it depends on person to person and the will or the time or the efforts they put into it.
yeah. Most important thing is hard work, actually.
Yeah,
Hard work.
exactly.
If you want to get something, then you have to put some effort, actually. It's not
That
like
is
only
true.
the motivation. You just watch a video or any short, and you just get motivated, and one day you just follow that. But from another day, you just fall flat on your face. You're not following because all the motivation just vaporizes, and you are
Exactly.
just left with nothing. So it should come from inside. The motivation should be, and you always have to put effort. You have to do
Hmm.
work hard so that you can, yes, learn this language actually. So
Discipline is important.
discipline, very important. So what is more important according to you, like grammar or fluency for a beginner? If a beginner just want to learn, so they should focus on grammar more or more on the fluency?
I think the grammar. If you're
Grammar.
speaking wrong grammar and just blabbering, that would not make sense to the other person. So even if you speak slowly in broken sentences for a beginner, but with proper grammar, that is more better than just blabbering without making sense.
So I have asked this question
Yeah.
to an English AI tutor. uh, Grammar is important or fluency. So yes, of course, if you're not using tenses perfectly, like if you
Yeah.
have to use present tense or using past tense, you're using
Mhm.
future tense. So at least you should know that much grammar.
Yeah.
At least your basic grammar should be there, where you have
Yeah.
to use is, am, are, and these things. So grammar is very important, the first thing. But fluency, they were just he was just mentioning like fluency is after that you have to do the
Yeah.
on the fluency. So
Obviously.
after that,
The first step has to be the basic grammar and then it moves on to fluency. So yeah,
so
absolutely.
don't get lost in much in the grammar part,
Yeah.
because sometimes people are very much expert. They are just expert in grammar, but they are not that
They're
fluent.
not, yeah.
So it's very important to get fluency first, and then you can work on your grammar later.
Yeah.
How to okay. So I just want to ask one more question to you.
Sure,
Like,
sure.
can someone become fluent by practicing speaking without reading grammar books?
Yes, they can. I think practice makes a man perfect, of course, but they cannot just do it without having anything with them. But I think books are not the only source of it. You can even watch movies with subtitles, and if you know where to focus on, you can inculcate the good parts of it. And watch videos, watch podcasts. I don't think books are the only medium, especially now when you have so much of stuff online. So yes,
Mm.
you can be fluent, you can practice
Mm.
without books.
Yeah. And for that, what are the best way? Like you mentioned about watching the videos, films
Yeah,
with subtitles is one. And we have heard of this shadowing technique.
yeah.
What about it? Like at the beginner's level, is it work, or we should work on it like later for advanced level?
I think you should keep working on it step by
Mm.
step and not just leave it for later or before. Just take it with you.
And because today I just wanted to ask the questions
Mhm.
related to beginners, because sometimes it's really a problem for beginner. They have so much fear of speaking. They have so much
Yeah.
hesitation while speaking. People will laugh at me.
I'm so sorry to cut this off actually, because I think we are past a little
Okay,
past our time.
fast. Okay, no
Yeah.
problem.
No, but it's okay. To answer you, I would like to say practice matters the most. I would say your best friend is your mirror, so practice through that.
Yeah, sure, sure.
All right. So thank you so much, Rashmi. It was great having this conversation with you. I hope to see you again to have more conversation because this was really fun.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kunakshi. Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
wonderful
you.